Hiya, it's me Steve again. This is my next project in beginners in joinery. Right, so I'll disassemble the base first. Right, I've used quite substantial screws, so you can have big double holes, so I've used quite a large drill bit. As you can see. Right, so let's take these out. When I do put this back together, I'm going to put a drizzle of glue down there, down there, down there, and along where this piece joins onto the back of the hardwood. The reason I'm doing that is to add strength, but it's also, if I just do a complete straight line, it's going to provide a waterproof seal from the elements. So I'm doing it for two reasons, but I'm not going to do it on the base because I want the base to act as the edges to act as drainage in case water gets in. It shouldn't get in, but just in case it did, if I haven't glued the edges, I haven't created a watertight seal with the glue, and water will be able to escape down the edges. So I'm only going to glue there, 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 and there. Okay, so I'll take that to bits. I'll take this one to bits. So I glued all my bits of pallet wood together, so I had enough to make the front and the sides. And the sides, I did it again. I did it with my chop saw. I just chopped it to the right size. I held that on the chop saw, and you see how that's an angle. I just held that. I drew a line along it, hold it onto the chop saw, and just chop straight down and across. So that's it for this video. I hope it's useful. Like I say, it's not so much a joinery lesson. It's just showing you the common sense. It's just common sense. Joining bits of wood together using common sense. Pre-drilling, gluing your pallet wood together, choosing pieces of pallet wood which hasn't got cracks on it, using all your offcuts, getting all your information from off Google, looking at various nest boxes for swifts, then coming up with all the bits you like. You choose it yourself, put it together according to their dimensions, and that's it really. I'll tell you what, I'm going to put a video on about how to hang a swift box, because I think that is the thing people are going to find hardest, to be honest with you. I mean, beginners in joinery, I mean, you come in here, you're expected to make a little box for your bloody corner of your room. You don't expect to be 25 foot up a ladder, do you? With drilling yarn trying to hang a swift box. So it was sort of like joinery lessons for the daring. Okay, that's it guys, thanks.